DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Oh, yo, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the building. And a mad reaction and a mad review. You already know what time it is. Yo, my people, I just buy a ticket, you know. I just don't know, I just land in Trini. You see me there, like there in Trinidad. I don't know what's in Trinidad. We have to listen to Trinidad music. I don't know where I deal with today. Yeah, man, today we over here in a 7 camp. And you see what we got today? Today we got Plumpy Bass. The one I just dropped a couple days ago. The one I named Bad already. And you don't know what time it is, gang. We gotta check it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man, people, no joke. Yeah, man, I don't know. Plumpy Bass are one of the best artists out of the 7 gang. You see what I'm saying? One of the best artists overall in Trinidad. You know what I'm saying? There's a few top artists in Trinidad, and Plumpy Bass is definitely one of them. You know what I'm saying? And it's been a minute since he dropped a video, dog. I believe the last video he dropped was Bram. I'm not sure. I might be wrong, because I've been on my Trini music for a minute. But yeah, man, Plumpy Bass is back with Bad already. We'll check it out. I'm gonna roll up the vibes. So yeah, man, I'm a Trini people. Make sure you hit and like up, subscribe. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm a Trinidad people. I'm a Trinidad supporter. Make you like up a video, man. Get this video to 100+ likes, man. Run it up, gang. You already know what time it is. We now back, dog, and we now play. You see me? I say, yeah, man, people not gonna look vibe much longer. I jump right now. Shot. It's a Plumpy Bass. But already, let's get it, gang.
A happy life.
Up on the rooftop with the machine, damn, oh god. Badness, Trinidadness. Don't know about that. She looking like a movie, gang, yo. Look around there, Billionaire Boys Club, come in, Plumpy Bass.
Mama say I want presidential badness. One I'm not so fully evil.
One presidential badness. Yeah, man said that. Alright.
Yeah, them know how we chip off on the rolling. Patiently we wait under them. Big fish we steam up and roast them. Left boy with them head side open. On the roadside stiff up and frozen. Man
said they don't want to chip off and we start rolling in a dog. So we do it patiently, then we dirt them in a man. Bumbo clad. Come in, Plumpy. Talk to them.
Left boy with them head side open. On the roadside stiff up and frozen. Man I run some a dive on a whole fence. Traumatized on a ball for them.
Man say on roadside stiff up and frozen somehow. Yeah, some are bars, some are run, some are well man, some of them are jump fence. Come in.
Side stiff up and frozen. Man I run some a dive on a whole fence. Traumatized on a ball for them close friends. Yo man them know we back.
Traumatized on a bar for them close friends. Yo. That's hilarious, bro. I believe he referring to, like, Cayman 6 or Byron when they was, like, crying on their close friends. Oh, shit. Nigga throwing shots, bro.
Bad, yeah. Long time we bad already. Our badness in the ordinary. Send them out we make boy bury. Hit back clip we march out on them thing. All my dogs them dark and daring. Bloodthirsty.
Easy now, man. That one, hey, boy, Plumpy Bass got some tune enough. He be sleeping in a dog. You see me I say? But listen, man, tune. Yeah, man.
And scary. See no man dog. Yeah. When we march out the road, every clip overload and a funeral loading. Rolling pan the men's well neat and a tint of black cheap like police patrolling.
Yeah, roll up on the ends and a tint of G. Don't think a police are come through? Nah, son, no police, brother. Are the niggas in the streets with the pole, yeah?
Up and feet on the Megala street. Headshot left boy on the roadway. Bag of loose cannon, yeah, them no way. Make a boy crash, then kill them slowly. Me wanna know who boost them up, dog. Don't tell them I coulda 100 man. If you clip them, ram if you go shake up the land left.
I don't know who boost them, dog. Coulda 100 man. Me don't tell them say the clip ram. Ready if you go shake up the land, you know. So who a boost no? You know now get no jet. Yeah, you know now get no bad fly.
Them up dog, don't tell them I coulda 100 man. Every clip them ram if go shake up the land. Left boy in the hot sun like him a tan. Same gang badness presidential.
Left boy in the hot sun like him a tan. If you know we cover war recently. You see me when the man they run out and rotate from the airport and such man left dead now. Hey yo, listen to this nigga so showing some dark shit, you know man. Jeez, peace.
Regular we roll out, knock it on a 6 man. Big long guns with the
Hey man say regular we roll out, knock it on a 6 man. Yo, them man are tell brawling in the dark. Yeah man, the man are tell brawling man, we knock it on the ups anyway we see them man.
Them gang badness presidential. Regular we roll out, knock it on a 6 man. Big long guns with the extensions. We trample
Are the bull pop that? Are the bull pop that? Yeah man, and the bull pop.
Big long guns.
I'm saying Trinidad have some machine in a man. Trinidad have some machine there, no me G. Yeah.
To the extensions, we trample them ends and down. Them know we born bad. Yeah. Long time we bad already. Our badness in the ordinary. Send them out, we make boy bury.
Badness in the ordinary man. Send them out. Me could make them bury man. Send them out man.
Back clip we march out on empty. All my dogs them dark and daring. Bloodthirsty, haunted and scary. See I'm a dog.
Say bloodthirsty, haunted and scary. Fuck that, brother. Yeah, them man say bloodthirsty, haunted and scary.
Yeah, from them start one them name pop. Guns out for them head back. Anyway them there is danger. Top striker walk up like stranger. Bust out head left your face flat.
Top striker walk up like a stranger. Tia man bust out head.
Them a fake and them lighter than paper. This how we do. Smoke palm oil like a cigarette. None.
And then say nobody man fake lighter than paper. Hey yo, nah, you know dog. We are the 7 man them step on the man them na Trinidad sometime you have to one now brother. You see me? Sometimes you have to wonder, brother, because these niggas be getting dirt left and right. You see me? And you hardly every 7 of them I get touched like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest, gang.
No survive, no revive, everything of that. AK shot spray like a Canada. Rapid burst in a face, 7 in a chest. Brains out on the roads, money lifeless. 7 gang outside.
7 in your chest, you make you know say 7 do it.
We no like rest. Fuck up the place, tell them try way. Yo, my dog, them know we born bad. Yeah, long time we bad already. Our badness in the
ordinary. We born bad. Them know we bad already. Our badness not ordinary. Hey, make them know.
Send them out, we make boy bury. Clip and clip, we march out on empty. All my dogs, them dark and daring. Bloodthirsty, haunted and scary. See, you know my dogs.
Bloodthirsty, haunted and scary. You know my dog. Yeah, man. Blood clean, plumpy. Boss, bad already. You know, bad already. But this not ordinary. Oh, bad. Plumpy boss, wake up yourself, me G. Yeah, man. Keep doing your thing, gang. One of the best in Trinidad for sure. For sure. And you also know who one of the other best artists in Trinidad, you know what I'm saying? They're also on the opposition, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Plumpy boss and K16 is definitely the best in Trinidad right now. Even though they're on opposite ends, opposite crews, and they're enemies right now, they're definitely the best in Trinidad. Both of them make great music, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can't deny that. Can't deny that. Plumpy boss made great music, K-Man made great music, so yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm glad, yo. I'm just happy these guys can make music and drop videos for us to react to and, you know, enjoy. You see me? I say so. Big up Plumpy boss. Yeah, man, really doing this thing down there. Bad already. Really dope track. Bad track full of lyrics. Very sinister too and dark, you know. Guys, niggas mention some shit. If you know what's going on in music, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Big up Plumpy boss, man. I do him thing, man. Yeah, man. Really bad artist. Really dope track, gang. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think about it. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beat, lyrics, melody. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. Let me know your favorite parts, man. And did you enjoy it? And let me know what you want to react to next, man. Let's chop it up. Let's discuss it. Yeah, man. Plumpy boss needs to drop more frequently, though. You know what I'm saying? He's been You know, really space out with the video. Drop more frequent songs and more frequent videos. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You can do numbers, man. Alright. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang. Drop your comments. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss my favorite part. Who's your favorite artist? All that good stuff. And if there's any new songs in Trinidad that I've missed or new artists, send them to me, man. Come on, bro. Send them to me. Send me the new artists and the new track them. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah, man. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. Let's chop it up. You already know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.